Hello, I am Robert, and welcome to my new channel. On this channel, I'm going to be discussing AI, but in a practical context. We're going to be talking about AI in the context of building a chat bot. So this channel is going to be geeky or nerdy in a lot of ways. And we are actually going to be talking about code, demonstrating code, and actually programming this bot. But I want to really go beyond that into more of the AI on a practical level. I want to talk about AI services, features, things that matter in terms of using artificial intelligence in a real world practical context. The part of AI that often gets missed with the hype and the rhetoric that goes on in the daily mainstream media. The fact that this technology has been around for 30 plus years and is really not new, but simply a continuation of previous research that many people have spent a lot of time working on, going all the way back to natural language processing, knowledge bases, and similar antiquated thinking processes. This is really where I want to take this channel, to demonstrate through a real connection of practical usage how AI can be used in a real way. Not the fancy made bots or things that they like to show on YouTube videos and TV of what the future could be. Because even if they do exist in the future, the average individual simply isn't going to be able to afford them. But you can afford to rent a simple $5 VPS, learn a little programming, and have the program tell you to get off your ass and go wash your dirty dishes. Or to be able to give you a recipe for a carrot cake or a bread pudding, or to help you learn some new skill in a meaningful way. Artificial intelligence isn't a magic black box. It is a legitimate tool, like a hammer or a saw. It can be used wrong and it can be used right. All of these things are what I want to discuss on this channel with real examples, with real content, on the basis of how you can take this technology and apply it in a meaningful way. Just as computers have inundated telephone marketing, where now you can't even call your bank without it having asking you, please tell the computer in a few words why you've called. To be very blunt, this pisses me off. I hate computers on the phone. AI is already moving into this market by the thing actually asking you to describe your problem in a few words. It's a realistic fact that just annoys me because no thought has been put into this process that humans don't want to talk to machines. And if there is some point to where they need to talk to a machine, then at least make the damn thing somewhat reasonable. That is some of the problems I hope to address in my own AI chatbot. Companion. As you already know, if you followed me for any of the other channels, I have a support server on Discord. Part of my problems is maintaining and moderating that server. So my practical context is for this program, this bot, to help me, to provide information, and to help me keep control of the server and keep it a safe and reliable environment for the people to share interests as I do. There are a lot of different things about artificial intelligence that are a fascinating world to work with, but knowledge is everything. And if you don't have the knowledge, then you're not going to have the understanding of why the damn thing may not work right. There are a few occasions where it is impressive in the amount of information it can process, far beyond that of a human mind. It's an amazing tool when used properly, but you have to know how to ask your question, to formulate your thought, to really get the best answers out of it. So as we embark on this journey together, and we ask some of the more difficult questions about artificial intelligence and how it will be applied in our society, we may find answers we like or we don't like, or we may end up in a situation where we have more questions than answers. Join me. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe, as we build an AI chatbot together and deal with the real world practical issues of moderating a server and the ramifications of a machine interacting with humans on a constant basis. Issues of privacy, issues of clarity, all of this comes into play on a much bigger scale. I look forward to seeing you, and please leave comments. Let me know what you think. Ask questions. Share your thoughts. Let's grow this channel together and explore this fascinating and interesting topic in a way that perhaps we can see AI developing that doesn't go out of its way to annoy the hell out of us, but rather can bring value into our lives. Thank you for watching.